Morning, everybody. We're live at 8:33. Sorry for the delay on this one. And we're running a 3-winner mini for Adam's Hoff Micro Collection stuff. Pretty cool. I got 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste the list in here. We got 10 entries, which is dope. That's what we're supposed to have. Got to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better. As you very well know, we got an 8. So we're cooking with gas. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to business. Let's go. Steve in the top spot for our first round. Brian takes round 2. Steve again on top in round 3. Brian round 4. Rich takes round 5 with number 5. Corey in the top spot for number 6. Brian in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 7 with number 8, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Brian, Corey, and Brian again. And it spots 4, 2, and 8, respectively. Here's the verification code. Make things official. EYNYBT is our verification code. There's our winners. Brian and Corey. Taking it. I'm done at 8:35 on this one. As you can see here. And right here. And one last time, here's the verification and results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Again, sorry for the delay on this one. Take it easy. See you next time.